Construction site managers know the importance of maintaining their mixed asset fleet, and performing ongoing maintenance is one thing that they are always doing to keep moving forward in today's constantly advancing world. Preventative maintenance is one of the many systems that managers and operators depend on to keep their fleet running at optimum levels and reduce loss of productivity from machine downtime. With Temeda's maintenance capabilities, fleet managers and operators can have peace of mind knowing that our reliable platform can keep track of managing their maintenance schedules, tasks, and plans for them. Schedules and plans can be set up for our users based on odometer values, time intervals, engine hours, or any combination depending on their needs. Our platform, available for both web and mobile, will allow you to choose the best option to meet your asset's needs and then assign the tasks to that asset. With all of this information at your fingertips, the Temeda platform provides you with accurate information, multiple reporting features, and alerting when these maintenance activities are coming due. No more paperwork or inefficient processes. The Temeda platform is the right preventative maintenance solution for your fleet today.